Karjala takaisin. Karjala takaisin.
Hello, not Mark here, and welcome to another episode of Kitchen Incompetence, a series where I cook things with absolutely no skill. Today we'll be making another Finnish favorite, Karelian pie. For this you will need butter, milk, salt, oil, flour, rye flour, eggs, and rice porridge, rice. Once you gather everything, boil 2.5 deciliters of water and some eggs. Once the water starts boiling, add 2 deciliters of rice porridge, rice. Cook that for 10 minutes. When the eggs start boiling, take the lid off and set a timer for 7 minutes, in case you've never boiled eggs before. After 10 minutes, add 7.5 deciliters of milk into the rice porridge. Cook that for half an hour. After 7 minutes with the eggs, take them off the stove and cool them down. After half an hour, take the rice porridge off the stove and let it stew for 10 minutes. Hello. Once it's done stewing, cool it down somehow. It's best to do the rice porridge the day before, but who has the time for that? Once it's cooled down enough, add about half teaspoon of salt and an egg. Next, it's baking time. Add 1.5 deciliters of cold water into a thing. Then add a tablespoon of oil, a teaspoon of salt, a deciliter of flour, and 3 deciliters of rye flour. Mix it into a cement-looking dough. Next, make a mess with both flour and rye flour. And knead the dough into a 0.5 centimeter thick thing. Then, using a drinking glass, make circular dough things. Next, make the circular dough things a bit less thick. Try to keep them in a relatively round shape. Then add about a tablespoon of rice porridge on the things. Spread it out evenly, leaving about a centimeter of space around the edges. Then turn the edges on top, like so. There's probably a technique to this which I'm not aware of. But they look good enough, so who cares. Next, put them on a baking tray thing and turn the oven on.
Full power!
Then put your phone in the fridge, because it's getting a bit hot from all the recording. Once the oven is warm, put the beautiful looking things in there for about 15 minutes. While they're getting baked, grab another bowl thingy and throw in 3 hard-boiled eggs. Smash them up. Then throw in 100 grams of butter and mix it all up. And boom, egg butter. After 15 minutes, take the pies out of the oven. Then grab a brush thingy and some melted butter and spread it on them. Next, let them cool down for a bit. And then it's time for the taste test. They're not pretty, but they taste perfectly fine. First success in kitchen incompetence history of 2 episodes.